You told me that you want to buy more time back, right? But if you don't create the systems in your business and you don't get out of your own way, you're not going to be able to get that time back. You keep getting in the way of yourself. We create these systems for a reason, for your team to actually follow them so that you don't have to insert yourself in every area of the business. You told me that you want to buy more time back, right? You told me that you want to be able to build your business in a way so that it can give you more time and more money so you can actually spend more time with your kids. But as a plumber, you're on the 24-hour calls. You're doing all these things. And I really, really care so much about you that I want you to accomplish your dreams. And you have a perfect opportunity to do that. And it's through your business. But if you don't create the systems in your business, and you don't enforce it, you don't train it, and you don't get out of your own way, you're not going to be able to get that time back and the money to enjoy it. You might have a lot of money because you're working, 16 hours a day is what you told me? You got to stop doing that. Get out your own way. You have more potential. I could see leadership in you, but you have to lead yourself out of the most important things so that way your team can take care of all those things for you. That's why we set up those systems, man. So make sure that you're actually doing them. Get out your way, enforce the systems, follow your own systems, and start building this as a business, not a job. If the roles were reversed and you had a manager trying to do everything and the rest of the team was standing aside just watching that manager, what would you tell that manager? You're paying them so much more money to do everybody else's job when they're standing around. You'd probably tell the manager to get out the way and teach. That way you're not having to do everything and we're not just paying for bodies to stand around just to watch you. So it's your choice. Are you going to live out your true potential by building a business that's profitable and works without you? Or are you going to build yourself into a job that you can never get out of because you are the business?